Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the additional with 9 extra puzzles, and half of them I will solve. Only 5 of them I will solve. Yeah, the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 6th, 2022, and I've already solved one puzzle. We have no, 4 puzzles to go. Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic, the binary, and the killer Sudoku. So let me continue with the puzzles. Position the camera, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Yes, zoom a little bit in. Yes. All right. Puzzle number 3940. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong on the four stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more. All right. So let's get started. 3 ones we have here. 2 twos. 1 3. 3 fours. 2 fives. 2 sixes. 2 sevens. 2 eights. And 2 nines. All right. 3 ones. Can we do something with the 1? No. Well, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. Or the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only what did I? I made a mistake. Alright. Overlooked. I cannot continue with the 1. Let me. We already have a 1 there, so this is not good. One conclusion. This one should be. Took the wrong 1. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this second row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the second column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see the 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. Here also a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those numbers later. Otherwise, it will be a mess in the puzzle. Let me see. 5, 5. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait. again. Yes, I need more information. Okay. 666699. I'm scanning. Nine, 7777. All right. 7744. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 66699. Yeah. Okay. 7, 4, 3 and 5. 3, 3. Well. Let me put some numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in this last column, so no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Together with the 1. So we have a 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in the color in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Together with the 4, we have a pair, 1 and a 4. All right. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. Okay. 333. 333. 333. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be one of these 3 boxes in this column. So we have 3 in this first column, 3 in one of those 3 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. I remember those 2 boxes in the first row are the numbers 3 and the 5. Can you remember that? 3 and 5. Now we have a 3 there in this big square, so no 3 in that box. So the only place left for the 3 in the first row should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 9. That means 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 5 goes there. And how about these 2 numbers? Here we have 1 and a 4, 2, so the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 7 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. We have here 1 and 4. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 5, 6, and 2. Yeah, the 2 is missing. Okay. 9 should be here. Let me think. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. In the last row, one of the missing numbers is 3 in the last row. Well, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We see here 3 in the first column, so no 3 in that box. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 7, 8. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. Okay. 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 8, 5, 9 and 8. Okay. Cannot fill this yet. 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2. Need a number. 4, 5. Wow. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the other 3 numbers are the 7, 8, and the 9. 7, 8, and the 9. 7, 8, and the 9. We have a 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes. 7 and 8, so one digit left should be the 9. So here we also need 2 numbers in this column. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and the 5. 8 and the 7. Okay. 9, 9. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 4. 6. 4, 6, and the 8. 8. Interesting. 6, 6, 6, 6. It's supposed to be the 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 8. 5, 5. 6 and the 8. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 6 and a 5. I see here 6 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be 9. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I've eliminated 4, so the 4 goes and there. Can we count? And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this last row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. All right. Can we count on 4? No. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I can count. Wait. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 5, number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8. 7 and 8. Still cannot fill this yet. Let me mark. 7 and 8 also here. So the 9 should be here. Okay, 9 in this row. 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. On there. You see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Also 7 and 8 are missing in this big square. Look, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box will be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Same numbers in this big square. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Come on, publisher. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. Publisher, publisher, publisher. So, although you have 24 printed digits, it's not, it's easier than the previous Sudoku, because previous Sudoku, I need 10 minutes more. Yeah, 10 minutes more. So, you cannot tell a 4 stars is not always more difficult than a 3 stars Sudoku. Well, but I enjoy this puzzle. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. We have a Sudoku mix left, a binary left, and a tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, see you later. Bye bye for now.